non nelikido lake Hemphu Mukrang lasinjak lamalong sido lasiladak pini nipai cricket homlo pini labang so karbi resnim so arong aje Ertalin card so asing kan pini abang kini ni ke chokar nilo patumi pen pangcheng si patumi mati arkor nipai krihini pen pangcheng si pini abang kini nipai cricket homlo la pen pini abang kini ni ke chokro lasi Hemphu Mukrang lasinja arani pasi pini abang ke paman polo lasi pada por phai troksia por pen Rongketong ala dipu rong hang karbi klap along pen Rongketong ang pangcheng si nona pang kiladak ladak Hemphu Mukrang lasinjak lamalong sidolo lasi kapre ahawar pininga pang ke isi prek jaga son selitun thekon long armu kachitong stametu ikpik la pen ke kapre ahawar pen ki bang gopik ke hello pen stame ki bang atum dopik lasi pinang anil tum thekon long lom ladak pinang anarmu kachitong lo lasi ko ani alira lon kiduli tum thekon long lo lasi komat mat konatat ahawar pen si nang kachitong dun ma la pen khala bang so ahawar atum pen aldak na kachipati atum pen alam itum kupi alam the si chipaklang duni ma la bang so alam philitum chini pong sina Keceng si lapolang li pensa me arju pon sinang aprang si kardon nang pasari iklo nang pansta me arong asia kardon tang te nalimen nang stani kha
Liban ramen ti
nai tum ko na hawar pen doi bang iklo ne
itum dena rong hawar masina
dena rong hawar pen ke di tang te nai tum na dena rong hawar pen ke bang kan tong ladak na ka chipati duni phan ke bang iklo ne
roxika runner kebun
tang te kopi piaso no nai tum ladak ka chipati dun ik chike
cepade ajai kan redong chingdi lapen ke nimsu kirung lapen ke banjar dingdongdang hai hoi hem cepade pon non
aning kan lang stame nang chipati dun ik ber ke di
nili peneng si first time lah
kalang ke di nang tang te nang li pining kecing silang ro tang te ko song lo nang li arong aje kilang don pen
building sampiklo alang itu nang Japon pot alang duhan choro nilo alang ni sar handa ardok
Zoro lo nang pansta me la pen ke lapu walang ni pansta me arju pon sina prangsi nang le men chale jima
Kadam ni liman ren terang pe
nai tum den rong pen si bang ikri
kala
nang tela nang tum den rong pen ko pipi ason si ka chipati dun iko
cepate dun ke ason tinda cepate dun erpo puse mathar
ante nai tum hawar pen best ti manong ekiponi phan nali ninga chithiri
ninge chi thelo bo phese tame kaddo ko jum ta bang rana chi sik pa me porla bang ke mo porse nang than
kedi apor bang khoko to na te chipati dun ikha zoro lo la sino na bang thot le tum dak karbi people hong tara lang so mate dak karbi jutang akha malong si dolo la pen no ne le tum bang kapre adet pen ki bang pini aturi sa tum han mate aluhi atum han si non ne le tum kaching ki tum chia pan si ne tum nang chi si ki kom no la si nang le tum si tami nang lang dun kom no kasi non putol alang li pen le tum chingki chithan pang na so may I know where you from
I'm from Liberia.
Huh?
Liberia.
Okay. So you have like on which day you reach here in Karbi Anglong?
I reached here on the 13th of this month.
Okay. So what do you feel about the celebration today?
Oh, the place is amazing. The people, the culture. I love this place, and I would love to live here some days. I love the people and the culture.
Okay. So do you know that this is 50? 50 celebration of the Karbi Youth Festival. Do you have any kind of idea about this? Like before the celebration?
Not really, and this is really amazing to see people holding a culture for this long time. And I hope and I pray you guys keep this because this is what makes you. So I pray you keep the culture going 100, 150 years,
Okay.
200 years.
Okay. So thank you so much for coming in Karbi Anglong. I mean, we're so glad to have you.
Thank you. I'm so glad to be here.
Okay. We have, I don't know, may I know where you're from, sir?
Morocco
Morocco. Okay, I love Morocco. So, do you have anything to say about, the celebration, the 50 Karbi Youth Festival?
Actually, I think it's really interesting. The people are so welcoming. Everybody's really nice, and I'm very interested to see what's coming.
Okay, so do you have anything to say about the culture here in Karbi Anglong?
It's really interesting. Like I love how everybody's welcoming. They want you to learn about their culture, and they're so proud of their culture. I really love this.
Okay, so when did you arrive here in Karbi Anglong?
About 2 days ago.
Okay.
Yeah.
So do you like this place?
Yeah, it's really interesting.
Okay, so glad to have you, sir, here in Karbi Anglong.
Thank you.
So we are from local news. So what do you know about your experience here in Karbi Anglong?
Okay. First of all, I'm Nana
Oh,
Kojo.
so,
okay.
let me start first. Okay, so we're so glad to have him here, but let us know like where he came from. So may I know where you came from, sir?
Yeah, I'm Nana Kojo, and I'm from Ghana, West Africa, and I'm here to participate in the Kabi Youth Festival 2024. And so far, the atmosphere here is so charged. I can feel the energy and I can feel the love. It's been a great experience so far. Yeah.
So, do you know any Karbi word over here since you arrived in Karbi Anglong? Do you know any Karbi words?
Any Kabi word?
Yeah.
I think I know Kadom.
Okay.
Yes, Kadom.
Kado. So, do you know how to say, have you eaten food in Karbi Anglong? Let me teach you some.
Teach me and I'll
Okay,
say.
so we say anchuelo. Anchuelo.
Okay, Anchuelo.
And so, if you want to ask someone, have you eaten? Then you would say anchuelo ma.
Okay, Anchuelo, man.
Okay, anchuelo. So, thank you so much, sir. So I want to know how you experienced here in Karbi Anglong when you first arrived here.
When I first arrived here, I was taken away. Honestly, I was blown away because the people here are so warm, they are so friendly, and Kabi is one beautiful place. We went to see the river, the moving river. It was very, very nice. Yeah.
So, any thought about the culture over here?
Oh, the culture here.
Yes.
The culture here is very rich. It's very, very rich, and I've tasted some of the food and everything, and it was great, superb. Yeah.
So welcome you here in Karbi Anglong. I, on behalf of my news channel and all the Karbi people, I welcome you here in Karbi Anglong.
Okay.
I hope you have a nice day over
I'm
here.
really enjoying myself. I'm really enjoying myself. I'm so happy to be here. And if you are not here at the moment, I'll say you are missing out.
Okay, thank you so much, sir.
Yeah, Daniaba.
So, as you know all, he is a very famous YouTuber, also a food blogger from Arunachal Pradesh.
Nagaland.
Nagaland.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm sorry. I thought he is from Arunachal Pradesh, but he's from Nagaland. So, welcome here in Karbi Anglong.
Thank you so much.
So, when did you arrive here?
I came yesterday. I was thinking that the festival will start yesterday, but yesterday what happened was there was reception going on. So feels like I just came today only.
Okay, so this is the first time you're here in
Yes,
Karbi Anglong.
first time. Yeah, I've never really heard about this festival before. This is my first time hearing about this festival. I did not know this festival is going to be this huge. It's 50 years now, and it's such an awesome thing to be here.
Okay, so like when you first arrived over here, so how do you feel about the environment here in Karbi Anglong?
I think people are very friendly. I've been telling in my videos as well that people here just feels like it's the same people. I mean, we do look alike. Not just
Yes,
we look
yes.
alike, but it feels like the mannerism, the personality, the culture, everything feels a little alike to our Nagas as well. So it feels really nice to be here.
Okay, so have you, since you're a food blogger, so have you tried any Karbi dishes?
Yes, I have tried. I like something very much, but I do not remember name. It was some taro yam with bamboo
yes.
shoot,
Oh,
like
yes,
boiled.
that's henruahan.
Something like that. Yeah, that was really nice.
Okay, so since how much time do you think you're gonna spend over here?
I'll be here for the next one day, and then I'll go back, and then I'll come back on 15 or 16
Okay,
for the music festival.
so welcome here in Karbi Anglong
Thank you
since
so
you
much,
first
sir.
arrived over here. So thank you so much.
Lapen pining abang kili tum thekpon long lo Don Bosco Higher Secondary School pen samai alang tun ladak nanga cipati dunia pan naci tong tundu aning kan wanga bang kelang tum samai nang tun dela si pining abang kelang tum samai nang tun asi alang litum samai it khethini alam ke archibonics nang aprang si nang menang kani ka
Nilimen ke David Livingstone Bay Pro.
nang tum Don Bosco Higher Secondary School pen sibai kiti
Oh kalang.
pining si keceng lang kiti nang tum naci patu
Oh kalang.
lapen pining keceng pen ke koposon lo arong asi kenang
Oh pining kecing arong ajiben gila pun ning samjin lah hai. Atima pining में आंगा सब सो लैंग्वेज चला तेंगवा. Atima 50 सन golden jubilee lo mati di. Follow.
Yeah, nang pen samai ka.
Ning arong biglo son arong aji theng long ning kan pocket jogik lo bot international na bang lo ni arong lo ke concert me do lo ke youth mat yang ke ni arong lo
Tang te nang le tum la Don Bosco Higher Secondary School pe nang tum ko piason ka chipati dun iko.
Karbi cultural dance bi dunji earning some apor stage opening ji bu aso arjulo
Nang le men khani ka. Village sorong pi. Asal onai tum la Don Bosco Higher Secondary School pen ke pining sik cheng silang nang ka chipati dun best ti manong age palong ni phan pason ka sik ri.
Kasih ke mana itu marni tinggi lo kasih lah kasih pati itu jipan mana haidun desa tadi itu abis ke cipi kasih paklang itu macam.
Nang le men khani ka.
Nelimen ke sweetie rong hang pi.
Nang li nang ka pe la school pen sik ri. Pason lo pining kilang dun arong asik.
Ning arong pik anla. Ati ma pining ke langmi o la ben ke ako jo munit tum na bene beleg dress son che ting thang ma di mat ning arong pik la ben ke itum ban nang ki invite mate la son invitation hai la ning arong pik ano pining ni tum ban ke hang pa thank you so much.
Silang itum stami kunat nat hawar pen tong ki mang ikloni litum art posna. Aprang si nang limen extra ikji mani. Nang limen extra ikani.
Nelimen e ka vi to pipi.
Tang te nang litum kunat hawar pen tong ki mang ikloni.
Nang lokso pen.
Tang te nang litum la akisar pipi lo la akisar so mang nang tum PC kacipati tun ikola tang.
Kone phi.
Aning kan mang stami la pasanang tun dun mani.
Pining amela.
Nang te pining nang li kecheng sinai dun pen arong aje kilang dun nai ko sono ni.
Arong lang misen lo. Leng arong ulo.
Labena puni ke. Nang limen khani kani aprang si.
Nelimen ke kapon kropi.
Isibel ke digi ba?
Isibel lo. Nang lok.
Nang tum kupilo ni chipati dun ikji ke.
Cepate na char he ta.
Kechar ke. Aning kan mang stami la pasana chipati dun.
Ana cepate na velo.
No islami kilong pon pon to mani.
To loi po.
Ben ke pining ke so kilong pon ipaning je kedoi ba.
Kini ne telo. Anam to lo.
Chipati telang ke dini.
Cepate tela.
Surolo ni apona chipidun pon ben ke chipati dun pamik no. Alang ni pesta milam thi sisini ithi hini arjupon iksana prangsi nang limen chithani
Dilimen ke Jonas Singteron Borjan Hawara Mai Amai
tang tela nang itum borjan hawar pen ke kupipia song ka chipati dun ik
Nyoltume kacipati bangkrada ke diri pipen Nangke pin kata soda mungana bangke nitu kacipati dun lagi Adhe ko pipa cipati dun dite kelong tang kami apoy na bang khante Dasi hola soga sontin kacipati silong labji balik Ta kelong tang bang apoy na bang khante de lagi Dasi laso bangke nitum jitu central pen jitu kapin kata lut Dasi laso ke min kata do teng an bangke nilutum ke abang ku da ciwan lab lo coklim lo Dasi aku nitu asitin da me cipati duni fantan nitum asikita nitum deng pon lo
katalon
sik
made sel kanila ningkan
nangli pisita me isi break je ka hormu song sinar tum chipaklang lo labang solam te nangli than pachi
si sayang de
labang ke
masuk esensi sayang de
nitum
lo
ke pasom ni
kacing honai
hola bangke hola ke jambili bulo
karbi cultural
labang ke
society
hola so jambili ke dak helong kereng et atumo pha
kondo singro ke hai
One ki thi kiding kang thum
labela so mai long na
Laten arong aje long tami ali ra
kacing
cham
honai
kata mi labang ke siku pisiko su
karbi ni
labang ho ki tidang atumo pha ali ra cham la se hola so ali ra cham apa kila ki lipta lidang kok lo so ni ten na kila bang ke labu labu na kila ke la alang kok jan maju alang kok na frek
orang singlia ke hai lapen ke na ke tong lu
mane chomluk su parlin so na
asam
isi bangke sikar dia langkong nang nak kita langkong ke kasi lason na tati hola ke tak bangku puya lo
lapen ke na ke tong lu
tak parlin puta tu
karbi risun soro aje ame hang ke tekeng
jorleng arong ali recam hon hai ali recam han lo laso pen ke laki soi kriat laso lo laki taksu besi lo laso taksu pamsi itu ke asom tin na me la ang thek pon mi
pot mo si
jong si la no na son ki jot pulo tang la bang la soi hem tu na long mane
garbi la me tamai
pen kachiwo ya bang mula chumung kan
kam singa se kai pen dang lo
la dak in hi lu di jong si dolo kudel pang thek la soi hem ke porjang di sumada ki kidos ni kar pot
di buai mele
yang thek lo
bida sing le ga ke hai emele dor sing ga ke hai emele ruk sing
tum ke pang thek char di jepin ben
garbi ma kono mas konsil
aku nang kok dil hai ta chiniat polo te tum chidina la soi hem tu la bang
ke hai
riso yang
pen dang lo
la so pan
ni long kam nang tem no rapet
sir lapen ke
garbi ma kono mas konsil
Borjana hawar pen tumpes di manong eke
ake hai kai pidoan
nali dengan cethi
emisi ake hai kai pidoan
nona tenga no te nili so bang ke ninga cethi bang ke partik
district commissioner
de ko piprama nili tum
lapen ke naga cetong don thu man peng ali
janga sumar
pidoan
lapen ke nili tum stike ke
ahi hin pen ke bang
kacipen kat
Deligates online
alang tu mitang si
terang pada kisias jun
cini
mai bu pen cenglok
kita mestilah tu
bang
dia jumlah kita
laben ke cepat itu na bang kubang pidoan
tolong apindeng ke
un sepi
lapen ke hola
cenglok
asal nun yen ma ron rit nong ting
dumra
rit nong ting ta hang lo pumat ison baka son mung jok
aricho
yen ma kuci
alang ida do lapen ke dan ai tong don
pulu
man peng ke do
nil tu apoin
maju pandui ke doan
han
lapen ke ni lidak
kami lang
dak la sopini
dia tu mariso yang
sel talina ningkang
nil tum pini
ceng siang dengalo
han ki mum ta han
naga cetong nu ne po poro ne pae poro
hong hong ni
sarpi sarpu riso ejang
telen do sai de
lapen ke kibi kithi
oi
nong eke long pon yebang ke
lapen ke apa dalang
ke
respected
silam son
honorable
kadok wetan nil
ambassador
si kamatha bangke
President here
nong ya kimi ni nong ya
Miss
bang
Ting Ting
pang son te
Hai Wabing Deputy Ambassador
tu malam jo ta bang
Myanmar
di tu man se ke tek
and Mr.
dia tu man se ke
Swing Mong Nang
lasi
lagi
tu hai ti wa bisa mit
Deputy Ambassador
long pen sake tek tang long
lapen ko na cetong thulang
di tam tang so
Masom Phom
nia sang ji
Hengin Khang
ka than patai hini ke thong
alang lia Deputy Ambassador lo
ke thong
lapen ke Mr.
kat patai hini ke thong
Mayo Meng Mong
hal so tengan lo
Economic attach
kami nil tum
of Myanmar
ni yong si
lapen ke na cetong non tho
aku apa yumaya apor teng pati tu long bulu teng ke
Deputy Ambassador
anong ilong du
labang ke
malong gi si cemata
sengdang mo lapen ke
nang lapon apon na cethi
press media ajir pojir piato
pini nini ke chok mate arko ni phai kre ke thamar ni abang ke pini nile tum kat nu sahin testa me pina analam ke pina anam hor le tum lep dun lo lapen ke alon dupi khangjang pining ingdeng phokep sertalina sengkan karbiris nimso aronga je karcho anikana bang ke alon dupi khangjang pinang an ahawar pen guwahati guwahati ahawar pen ke bang tado morigao pen tado lapen helowing ahawar pen ke bang atup samila dak nang chepati tu natum samila dak nang chitong dundo lasik pinang an alon dupi khangjang lasi pini niphai krike thomati ni ke chokarni abang ke ington pon eklonang puthot chetong tulo nang kapre karni abang le